Hi guys, today we're going to do enterprise and this class is really in favorite one. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे, साथ में टेक्स्ट को भी डिफाइन करेंगे. You guys going to get the text on your screen ताकि आप चीजों को कनेक्ट कर पाओ. चलो यार, let's start the class. Enterprise by Nizam Esquire. It started as a pilgrimage, exalting mind and making all the burdens light. The second stage explored but did not test the call. The sun beat down to match our rays. अब यहाँ पे काफी सारी चीजें जो क्लियर करनी जरूरी है. एंटरप्राइज एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक बड़ी कंपनी बनाने में कई लोग अपनी पूरी जिंदगी लगाते हैं, बट एट द एंड क्या मिलता है? सक्सेस या कुछ और? डिस्कस लेटर इन द क्लास. चलो यार, लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट सा. In the first stanza, the poet says that he went to pilgrimage along with a number of the people. So उसने pilgrimage बोला, उसे एंटरप्राइज में pilgrimage बोला, उसके साथ कई लोग थे. All of them were quite enthusiastic and the mind were full of the joy and excitement of the pilgrimage. सबके दिमाग में बहुत थ्रिल थी, हाँ ये करेंगे, ये करके दिखाएंगे. This excitement made the burden of troubles very light. Troubles, burdens, सब light हो गए. Thus all the problems and difficulties they were yet to face seemed to be nothing now before the enthusiasm. उसको डिफाइन कर दिया, उसके कॉन्सेप्ट क्या थे, कैसे क्लियर करना, उनको डिफाइन कर दिया. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा ऑफ द pilgrimage. This stage can be compared to early youth of man in which he is quite innocent and unaware of the problems of failure of the adulthood. ये आपकी कहानी है. अब ये वो कहानी है जहां पे आप लोग क्या करते हो, आप करते हो चीजों को फॉलो करना है, कैसे करना है, करने का तरीका क्या होगा. जब आप यंग होते हो ना, व्हेन यू वेरी यंग, तो एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ज्यादा होती है. एक्साइटमेंट सीरियस होती है. आपके तो एक्साइटमेंट है, उसके कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, कैसे क्लियर करोगे, चीजों को डिफाइन करोगे, तब आपको अडल्टहुड की प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में नहीं पता होता. सेम विद एन एंटरप्राइज. जब एक एंटरप्राइज बनाने की शुरुआत कर रहे हो तो आप में बहुत एंथुसिज्म होता है. आप लोगों को लगता है कि यार सच में हम बहुत कुछ कर जाएंगे, हम बहुत कुछ बदल देंगे, पर होने वाला नहीं है कुछ ऐसा. With the enthusiasm and vigor, they entered the second stage of the pilgrimage. The second stage, their journey was full of troubles and difficulties. So, second stage में difficulties आने शुरू हो गई. They start finding difficulties. The sun that symbolized harness of nature was burning hot. It tried to naturalize the fire. Enthusiasm was burning on them. However, it failed to kill their burning desire. So, उनकी जो burning desire था वो कम होनी शुरू हो गई. The innocent first stage was away in the stage. So, जो innocence थी ना first stage, वो खत्म होनी शुरू हुई. Second, we student very well, I thought, observed and put down some copious notes on the things peasants sought and brought the way, the serpent and the gods. 3 cities where a stage had thought. What he says. In the second stanza, the poet says that though they will succeed well in facing all the difficulties coming their way. Succeed तो हो रहे थे और difficulties को भी सही से deal कर रहे थे. On the way, they had kept themselves busy on nothing down things sold and brought by the farmers. They also noted out the ways the snakes and goats fell and the description of the 3 cities where the hermit was teaching lesson. कौन कहाँ क्या कर रहा है, सब पता कर रहे थे वो. However, they didn't notice when he was teaching in the sense that the poet wants to tell how the people get distracted from the goal when they were on journey of their life. लेकिन लोग डिस्ट्रैक्ट होने शुरू हो गए. जो इकट्ठा शुरू हुए थे बड़े सारे लोग, उन्हें कई डिस्ट्रैक्ट होना शुरू हो गए. द वेस्ट देयर एनर्जी एंड डूइंग यूजलेस थिंग्स. उन्होंने काम करना शुरू कर दिया वो जिसमें कोई फायदा नहीं था, अपनी एनर्जी बेकार करनी शुरू कर दी. चलो, काम टू द थर्ड स्टैंजा. But when the differences arose on how to cross a desert patch, now we lose a friend whose stylish prose was quite the best of all of the batch. A shadow falls on us and grows. अब जब जर्नी बढ़ने लगती है ना, लोग टूटने लगते हैं, लोग अलग होना शुरू होते हैं. यहां से वो टाइम आता है जब चीजें बदलनी शुरू हो चुकी हैं. Soon the pilgrim will reach a stage where the difference of opinion arose among them, arguing how they cross the challenging landscape. अब सबके सब तैयार नहीं होते हर चीज के लिए कि यार ये चीज ऐसे ही करनी है. नहीं नहीं, कईयों को चीज पसंद नहीं आती, कहते हम इससे एग्री नहीं करते यार. As a result, one of the members of the group who wrote the most stylish prose or intellectual leaves the group and goes his own way. कहना मैं अपना रास्ता खुद बनाऊंगा यार, I'm leaving. Thus the shadow of disagreement fell on to enterprise and continued to grow. अब जो shadow था ना disagreement का, वो बढ़ गया. अब धीरे धीरे सबके दिमाग में लगा कि मेरा रास्ता अलग, तेरा रास्ता अलग, मैं ऐसे करूंगा, मैं ऐसे करूंगा. The ego does people waken the integrity of pilgrimage. जो integrity थी ना वो टूटनी शुरू हो गई. अब pilgrimage में एकता नहीं रही. Another phase was reached when we were twice attacked and lost our way. A section claimed to be liberty. To leave the group, I tried to pray. Our leader said he smells the sea. सबके सब अपना अपना रास्ता बनाने लगे, मुझे लगा कुछ गलत हो रहा है, मैंने रोकने की कोशिश की, बट हमारा लीडर अलग ही रास्ते पे था। Now they reach another stage of film gauge where they divided the groups, each attacking their forgetting all the aspiration and that united them for film gauge. As a result, they lose their way. In other words, the goal and the purpose of the journey was lost. गोल लॉस हो चुका था, पूरी तरह से लॉस हो चुका था, अब हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे. Being unsatisfied with the leader, some quit the group. Poet, being helpless, could do nothing and thus starting praying. Pray करना शुरू कर दिया. The leader feels that they were near to the sea. The destination very near. जो leader था वो कह रहा था यार बड़ी पास पहुंच चुके हैं. अब हमें इसको छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. We should not leave the way. We are very close to the sea. मतलब come to the second part. We noticed nothing as we went. A struggling crowd of little hope, ignoring what the thunder meant. Deprived of common needs like soap. Some were broken, some merely bent. कुछ टूट चुके थे, कुछ पूरी तरह से बेंट हो चुके थे. अब उसके कॉन्सेप्ट क्या हैं, कैसे क्लियर कर सकते हैं, उनको डिफाइन करना जरूरी है हमारे पास. Here, however, soon after become aware of the fact that what is false hope from the leader does find nothing on their way. कई बार हम अपने लीडर से कुछ फॉल्स होप करते हैं जो कभी पूरी नहीं होती है. We get nothing in return. They were now a group of aimless and hopeless wanderers, the noble aspiration now wither away. They could no hear the thundering of inner self could have interplay what it mean. They were now without and even pity things like soap. Being totally exhausted, some of them could not walk anymore. Who some bent down their pain, thus enthusiasm fades away and their burden is unbreakable. वो enthusiasm पूरी तरह खत्म हो चुका था. और अब जो बर्डन था वो इतना ज्यादा हो चुका था that they cannot rely with the fact that we can proceed to it. When finally we reached the palace, now we hardly know where we were there. The trip had darkened every face. Our deeds were neither great nor rare. Home is where we have to gather grace. से लाइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको ध्यान से समझना. कहता our deeds were neither great nor rare. Home is where we have gathered grace. In the sense, the pilgrims, exhausted, tired, and frustrated, finally reached their destination or goal. However, there is no joy fulfillment of their faces. Instead, they wonder why we were overtaken by journey as it now seems to be meaningless and unworthy and undertaking. They forget the noble aspiration. Everyone is hopeless. None of them find anything heroic in the journey as a number of the other pilgrims had already achieved the goal. For the poet, living is a way the inner satisfaction, bigger achievement of all. Hence, the journey that started with the enthusiasm ends grief, despair, regret, and hopelessness. इसका एक छोटा सा मैसेज था. When you guys have been busy building your enterprise, you're losing your happiness, your family, your love, your relations, your friends, everything being lost because you diverted all your life to that business. उस बिजनेस ने क्या किया, आपकी फैमिली, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके दोस्त, आप सबसे छीन ली. So at the end they get nothing. Wish you all the best, guys.